This road in Utrecht, called Maliebaan, was first constructed in 1636 as a 740-meter-long sports track for a game called Jeu de Maille. This game was ancestral to the games of pall-mall, croquet and golf. Especially from the 19th century, the tree-lined sports track developed into a city boulevard with beautiful grand houses. Today, that uptown atmosphere is reflected in public artworks, walkways, historic light fixtures, and benches. This road was also the location of the very first cycle track of the Netherlands, which was opened on the 15th of September 1885. That too was literally a sports track for races on high-wheelers. Signs inform visitors about this historic fact. Today, only a very short stretch of the path is still in use as a cycleway. Most of the Netherlands' first cycle track has become a walkway again. The biggest change took place in the early 1920s, when through motor traffic was allowed to use the original sports track in the center of the street. Only about a decade later, traffic had increased so much already that cycling in the center was forbidden. Traffic continued to increase, and the area had become very busy by the 1960s, as these images demonstrate. Cars can still use the central road, but things are going to change in a dramatic way. This area of the city is being reconstructed to be much more for people than for machines. Cars already got less space on the adjacent streets of Tolsteeg-Singel and Maliesingel, where the speed limits were also reduced. Big changes are planned for Voorstraat and Nachtegaalstraat Burgemeester Reigerstraat. From early 2014, the city has been investigating what could be done to reduce through traffic on the Maliebaan. About 6,000 to 8,000 motor vehicles use this 50 km/h street on an average working day. The city wants to decrease the amount of motor traffic, upgrade the area for people, improve the cycle traffic flow, and recreate the historic green spaces. After a long debate, the Executive Council proposed the City Council to vote for their preferred solution out of 4 plans that were developed. In this proposal, motor traffic will be completely banned from the center of the street. That part will be reconstructed as a boulevard for walking and cycling. All motor traffic will be diverted to the service streets, where the 30 km/h regime will remain in place. Late 2019, the City Council voted in favor of this plan. This will mean that the remaining motor vehicles, about 4,000 to 5,000 per working day, must use the then also upgraded service streets. The traffic lights on the one big intersection will be removed, and cycling will get priority. The details of the plan will be further developed in 2020. The actual reconstruction of the street is planned for early 2021. Once again, the city of Utrecht proves that it is in transition from a car-orientated place to a city for people.